let's just scrap this and do it again. I'm gonna add some water to this yellow, guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, sorry guys, I had to change the battery and I had to add white water to the yellow because it was too thick, but that's why we experiment. Didn't really like the purple with the yellow, but maybe it was just because the yellow didn't flow. So we're gonna try this again. It's thinned down a little bit more. And I knew it was too thick when we poured it on. So let's just try it again. It still looks too thick, but experimenting. Hopefully this white doesn't mix with the other on the bottom. And of course it is. Sometimes you have good days in your painting, on your painting day, and sometimes you don't. So we're gonna try this one more time and see how it turns out. And there's lots of bubbles in this paint. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, let's see what the blues look like. Let's see if this paint will move any better. Once we blow this out. Acrylic painting, right? No rules. think I like the blues better on the yellow. I think it may move a little better this time. We'll see. Okay, guys. Some of that other paint color left on there. I'm just gonna try to get it off. Maybe. When I spin it, it'll come off. If not, we'll just add some white to that. Let's see here. It's really pretty there. Okay. Spin that out a little bit, see what it looks like. Really, really slow. See how this paint moves. Just gonna give it a little nudge. Okay. It moved more than it did last time, so we will have to add water to this Valspar 2000 house paint. It is semi-gloss. The white on here, I'm gonna try to. Should I spin it out one more time or no? No, I shouldn't. Let's see. Try to bring some of this blue. Straighten this up a little bit. It's kind of wonky. And straighten this up a little bit. Good. I really love the black cell activator. It's really pretty. Try to create some more little holes in here. Go to this yellow side. I like this side. Don't like that there's that color in there. Try to get that out. That was from that purple and it's trying to seep through, or it didn't blend all the way when I laid the new white down. So we're just gonna get it out. This paint level's pretty good after you manipulate it a little bit, so we can just get the white up on top. It should take care of those lines. I don't even know if you guys can see them, but I can. That's really pretty. I like it. I'm going to create a little bit more. I don't like manipulating it a whole lot or modifying it a whole lot. It's like the simplicity of the blooms kind of blown out and swirled around. This one's really pretty too, so. Got a little more definition there. I like that. I don't know if I like that little dot there, so well, I kind of do, because we have a dot there, a little dot there, a little dot there. Kind of goes with the whole flow of it, a little dot there. So really pretty, guys. Really, really pretty. I like it. I like the blue with the yellow. So, and the black cell activator is really, really awesome. I'm gonna put the skewer away. I'm gonna torch it another time, and then we're gonna let it dry and see how well that paint does. And we will be doing a review and a drive result at the end of this video. So you guys stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone. This is the 10-inch round with the new yellow paint. There are a few imperfections in it, but we are experimenting with the new paint. Because I couldn't get the color place, so instead I got the Valspar 4000 to try, so we'll have to thin it down a little more, I think. That's the only issue, but it is beautiful. I love the blues on top of the yellow and white, and the silver's gonna pop. I had some issues, like I said, with the thickness right there in the middle, but I think the resin is gonna really help this along. So I think I will video the resin process if anyone wants to come check that out. I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to get more videos from me and know when I post them. So I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Thanks.